Fourth, which is a threat to environment. Threat means danger. Which is a danger to environment. हमारे environment के लिए कौन सी चीज़ इनमें से danger है? Growing plants, growing or increasing population, or growing crops. So which is the correct answer? Growing plants is useful for us. It gives us oxygen. Growing crops is also useful for us. But burden on land, growing population or increasing population is destroying our environment, is destroying the plants and crops. So the answer is growing population. Match the following: biosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, environment, ecosystem, gravity. Blanket of air which surrounds the earth, domain of water, gravitational force of the earth, our surroundings, narrow zone where land, air and water interact, relation between the organisms and their surroundings. So match the following. Try it. What is biosphere? Biosphere is a narrow zone where land, air and water interact. Then first is E, narrow zone where land, air and water interact. Biosphere first, narrow zone where land, air and water interact. E. Second, atmosphere. I have told you atmosphere is a blanket of air which surrounds the earth. Is a blanket of air which surrounds the earth. Hydrosphere is a water related. Then domain of water is hydrosphere. Hydrosphere. And fourth, environment. What is environment? Environment is our surroundings. What is environment? Our environment is our surroundings. And fifth, ecosystem. Ecosystem is a relation between the organisms and their surroundings. And last is gravity. Gravity, gravitational force of the earth. नोट डाउन दिस. आप सबके आंसर सामने सामने ही राइट डाउन करिएगा. लाइक बायोस्फीयर डैश नैरो जोन वेयर लैंड, एयर एंड वाटर इंटरैक्ट. सेकेंड, एटमॉस्फेयर डैश ब्लैंकेट ऑफ एयर विच सराउंड्स द अर्थ. थर्ड, हाइड्रोस्फीयर डैश डोमेन ऑफ वाटर. फोर्थ, environment dash our surroundings. Fifth, ecosystem dash relationship between the organisms and their surroundings. Sixth, gravity, gravitational force of the earth. Next, fourth, give reasons. First, man modifies his environment. Why man changes his environment? Why man modifies his environment? इंसान environment में changes क्यों लाता है? For his comfort या to fulfill his need. Man modifies his environment to fulfill his need and make his life comfortable and easier. हम अपनी लाइफ को कंफर्टेबल, आसान बनाने के लिए ही अपने एनवायरनमेंट को कभी कभी डिस्ट्रॉय करते हैं या अपने को कंफर्टेबल करने के लिए एनवायरनमेंट में चेंजेस लेकर आते हैं. यू कैन से हम लोग पेड़ों को काटते हैं for copies, for printing of books, newspapers. So man modifies his environment to fulfill his need and make his life comfortable and easier. Second, plants and animals depend on each other. Give reason for that. We know plants and animals always depend on each other because plants release oxygen that animals breathe and absorb carbon dioxide that animals release. प्लांट्स रिलीज करते हैं ऑक्सीजन एनिमल्स के लिए, एनिमल्स भी ब्रीथ करते हैं, ह्यूमन बीइंग्स भी ब्रीथ करते हैं. और जो एनिमल्स और ह्यूमन बीइंग्स है जो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रिलीज़ करते हैं वो प्लांट उससे अपना फूड प्रिपेयर करते हैं. दे प्रिपेयर देयर फूड फ्रॉम फोटोसिंथेसिस, सनलाइट, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. राइट डाउन दिस. Write down your homework. Note down the homework. First, draw the picture of components of environment. Draw the picture of domains of the environment in your copy. And third, how human beings are damaging the environment. How human beings are damaging the environment or how human beings are destroying the environment by cutting off trees, increasing the population, increasing pollution,